Gonna be driving by over here and pop into Walmart real quick, and they have these. They kind of caught my eye. There's Thomas. There's a bunch of them. I'm not sure what the rainbow theme is all about. Some kind of a tie-dye situation happening, but here's the crazy part. Every single one of these Tobies has a rusty rivet. Look at that, and it's every single one. So look, there's another one. Yep. It's weird, isn't it? I thought maybe it was brown paint at first. It might be brown paint. Maybe it's not rust. I don't know. Looks like rust to me.